Hey, thanks for joining us today. My name is Kevin Kahn, President of IntelliCom Technologies. I am thrilled to introduce to you IntelliButtons, the absolutely best way to put in a service request. Putting in a service request without ever waiting on the phone, 24/7. Being able to go back in time and being able to send a video of your issue happening in real time. Having your issue understood the first time without any back and forth. Therefore, your ticket will close faster with IntelliButtons. We see your issue immediately so we can focus on solving your problem quickly. Let me show you how easy it is. There are two ways to activate IntelliButtons. If you have the optional USB plastic white buttons connected to your computer that looks like this, simply pushing the button activates the request. If you do not have the buttons, you can simply click on the icon that looks like the colorful question mark, just like this one, at the bottom of your screen, pinned to your taskbar. As soon as you press the icon, the program goes to work collecting information along with the screenshots from the prior 2 to 3 minutes to allow us to quickly solve your issue. We want to see the issue happen, so remember to click or push right after you experience an issue. This is why this is the best way to put in a service ticket. Calling or emailing will never give us this level of information that allows us to solve your issue promptly. Fill out the rest of the form and then press Review Submission. Leave the next 2 items checked because this gives us the tools to fix your issue as quickly as possible. If you are working with sensitive information immediately prior, uncheck Submit Screenshots. Then check the bottom box that will allow us to receive your information. Finally, press Submit and your ticket is created without speaking to anybody in record time. Ticket number is noted on the screen. Please take that down in case you need to communicate with us about your particular request. Thanks for watching.